You know what I got right here is the word takas. Okay? So the Seven of Swords right here, maybe someone here wants to takas or umalis sa sitwasyon na ito, no? Pero he or she do not know how because look at that big moon in the background here. This person here wants to scream, sumigaw, no? I'm sensing a lot of pain coming from this person's energy, no, to the point na gusto na lang niya itong takasan or alisan. Pero, paano? I'm seeing an image of a bridge or tulay right here. Maybe this person here is looking for a way out, a tulay, or a pathway here. Okay, bath. I don't know, I'm also picking up another message, but it's not yet clear. Let me just get other information, please. Look at that. There's something here that's gonna unfold. And see, I'm seeing here, okay, two wolves, okay, and they're facing here that big moon. So whoever it is that you're dealing with, looks like there's something here magical. And I'm seeing glitters here. There's something here magical that's gonna happen here, okay, sa inyo nitong kung sino man tong kadil or makakadil ninyo. Just take how this resonates, and it feels like magical. Wow. Let's see what is this all about. All right, let's go ahead and check this out. This is for collective all signs. Just take how this resonates. I'm seeing, okay, a conversation. Okay, this could be something to do with online. Two people talking about a a topic right here which is very hard na pag-usapan. Pero nakikita ko na yun yung nangyayari. So, this is some kind of a communication or conversation, okay? But I'm seeing na pwede itong nangyari online, no? Or nangyayari online, just like how this resonates, no? Or you could be talking here personally here with someone here, no? But it is not an easy topic na pag-usapan kind of thing. Okay? So let's keep moving. Oh, okay. Yeah, the topic could be somewhat sensitive or mahirap ilabas or mahirap i-open up, no? So may mga bagay talaga na minsan, no, kinikip natin, no, sa ating sarili, tinatago natin, no? Kasi pwedeng hindi naman dahil sa ayaw natin itong i-share sa iba dahil baka mapag-usapan nila or what, no? Pero ang hirap lang talagang pag-usapan. Okay? Why? Because of the heaviness of the emotions na nakapaloob doon. And why? Because it's painful. Masakit, no? I know. That is so. You've got the Ten of Cups. So there's nothing to worry here. Okay, so yeah, hi and hello, new subscribers. By the way, my name is Yan Honey. Welcome here sa channel na ito. At sa returning subscribers, maraming thank you for this wonderful opportunity, no, na mapakinggan, no, at nagsistay pa rin kayo here with me. So yeah, okay, just take how this resonates. We do not have any gender right here. Babae, lalaki, LGBT, of course, mga sweethearts. You're welcome here. Just take how this resonates. Okay. And yeah, pwedeng ito ay tapos na, nangyari na. Pwede naman na nangyayari, no? At the present moment or in the now. Okay? Or sa kasalukuyan. Pwede namang hindi pa at isang prediction sa inyong hinaharap, no? So kung ito ay hindi pa nangyayari para dun sa mga like clueless pa about this, there is someone here na may makakausap kayo, no, regarding a very sensitive topic, no? Pero let's cut it out, no? Hindi ito sensuality. Wala pong ganung usapan here. Okay? This has something to do with something na pwedeng pinagdaanan na ang hirap i-brought up, no? So, with the Ten of Swords energy, Three of Swords, and there's that Eight of Swords energy. Okay? Alam mo, alam mo yung bridge na nakita natin kanina, eto pala yung tulay, no? Tulay ito. Okay, isa itong tulay, kung ano 'tong pinapakita sa atin, no? Tulay para sa isang mas maganda at mas malalim na connection. So, with the Ten of Swords energy, Three of Swords energy right here, okay? Eight of Swords, this is someone here, no? Na nakikita ko na nag-o-open up sa'yo. Yan, 'no? Nag-o-open up 'no, ng bagay na sobrang tingnan mo yan 'no, this is too much. This is too much for someone here na nagbigay ng heart 'no. Look at that heart, okay? I'm seeing stitches 'no, mga bakas ng stitches 'no. So, nasaktan siya when it comes to love. This tree is a symbol of stability here. Naging faithful siya with that past person niya sa kanyang previous na naka-in relationship. And it hurts so much 'no, na kahit yung sumigaw ka at i-release mo yung pain, hindi talaga nababawasan yung pain, okay? That is what this person is feeling. Ang hirap ilabas, hindi dahil para mahusgahan siya ng iba 'no, na ganyan yung dinadala niya rito 'no, kung bakit siya nasa ganyang sitwasyon na hindi. Maaaring ito ay isang klase ng tao na puwedeng tahimik lang din siya, pero ang hirap lang talagang pag-usapan nito. Because it brought a lot of sadness, no? See, this is like a wrecking ball, no? Parang gano'n, no? This is like, something here na talagang nag-wreck at sumira rito, no? Nang hindi lang ng pagkawasak ng puso niya, no? Kundi buong mundo niya. That person betrayed him or her, no? No matter how time and effort that person, no? Na binigay niya doon sa kanyang past na naka-in relationship, sobrang tinalikuran siya nun. There's this sense of abandonment, pwedeng gino siya, iniwan ng hindi nagpapaalam, and it's hard for this person to move forward in his or her life to the point that, okay, ang hirap na i-accept na nangyari sa kanya yung bagay na yun. Yeah. But I do saw that mirror. Kanina pa nakikita ko yan, no? I think this person here is not someone na sa kanya lang yan, na siya lang ang nagdaan dyan sa ganyang sitwasyon. I think you are, okay? Nagbibigay rin, no, ng reflection ng parehas na experience na pinagdaanan ninyo. Maybe not the same situation, but maybe you've been as well get hurt, no, with someone you give so much time. Not just time, money. You've cared for that person so much, but that person chose pa din na i-abandona ang inyong connection. You've shared the same experience because maybe both of you, parehas kayo rito, no, na pinagtaksilan, no, ng inyong mga past lovers na wala kayong ginawa kundi ang mahalin lang sila, alagaan sila, no, at intindihin, no, mga bagay na hindi yun kayang gawin ng mga babes, no, kasi mahaba yung pasensya niyo with your past lovers here, eh. Mahaba yung pasensya ninyo, okay? Ikaw at yung kung sino man 'tong makakausap mo in a very sensitive conversation. Maybe that person is new because we have here the Ace of Cups energy and the Page of Cups right here. Okay, kung wala pa kayong kausap, may makakausap kayo nun sa ganitong klaseng sensitibong usapan, no? Alam mo, you are not the type of person and this person too. You are not both the type of person that just open up, no, sa kung sino-sino. But this is something here, no, na nakikita ko na ito yung nagiging daan para sa isang mas malalim at um, mas matibay, no, na simula ng connection. Okay? And alam mo, no, simula ng nag-usap kayo ng inyong mga halos parehas na pinagdaanan na pain na may kinalaman sa usaping pag-ibig in the past, no, wherein you give too much. Both of you, ginawa niyo yun sa inyong mga past lovers right here or kung sino man, no, yung mga minahal ninyo before. I'm seeing that whoever that person is, I'm picking up that this person here, okay, you've shared, okay, like or alike situations, no, in the past. So yeah, alam mo ba na yung ganong klase, no, ng conversation is sobrang nakatulong sa kanya na i-release ang lahat, no. Meron kasing nauna rito na mag-heal. So I do pick up that that is your energy. But of course, this is general reading. You can flip the roles if you want. Meron kasi ditong unang nag-heal, which is I do pick up the listener, which is I'm getting that that is your energy. You are the one who listens to this person's story that is almost kaparehas or similar or alike sa pinagdaanan mo, collective. Alright. And of course, I do pick up right here, okay, that whoever this individual is, I'm picking up, no, na tinulungan mo siya na ma-release ngayon because of that bridge, no, na nakapag-open up siya sa'yo, no, like literally, it's hard to open up to just anybody, but you've gained this person's trust. Maybe, ikaw kasi yung lagi niyang kasama sa lunch, if this is a coworker here, or maybe ikaw kasi yung lagi niyang kausap through chat, or whatever, I do pick up that you help this person here paunti-unti na mag-move on. Why? Because yung mga advices mo, no, ay galing sa past experiences mo na halos katulad ng pinagdaanan niya. So, ikaw ang nakapagbukas, no, ng tarangkahan, no, ng kanya rito, no, na parang naka-imprisonment siya rito, no, ng medyo matagal sa isang klase ng pain because of a lost love, no. Actually, if you're gonna ask me, okay, yeah, this person here did give so much love to that person. But just like you, wala na rin siya ritong nararamdaman para sa taong binigyan niya ng sobra-sobrang pagmamahal, no? Kundi gusto lamang niya rito na mag-move forward na dito, no? At mahanap yung mga kasagutan na yun. Pero nung nagsimula tong palitan ng conversation na to, naunawaan niya, no, na parang unti-unti siya ritong nakalaya. Kasi alam mo, pag nilabas mo yung bigat ng damdamin mo, no, unti-unti gagaan yan. Sarap pala sa pakiramdam, no? And then this person now sees na meron palang tao dito na pwede mapagsabihan ng kanyang mga nararamdaman at pinagdadaanan without any judgment here. And this person could have found that in you, collective, no? Alam mo yung parang yun na yung naging daan, no? Para mas makita niya rito, no, your words are powerful, your advices really mean so much to this person, like you really did help this person na makapag first step, no, isang hakbang patungo sa pag-move on, no, from this pain, from this trauma, no, that the past person niya had caused him or her. Yeah. So you help this person here na parang i-release ano man yung nararamdaman niyang pain, no? Para ito yung wala na, no? So ikaw to na nakinig sa kanya at patuloy na nakikinig, umuunawa sapagkat pinagdaanan mo rin ang pinagdaanan niya, no? At nakikita ko na itong tao na to, no, ay dahil nare-release niya na yung pain na yon, no, nagkakaroon na rito ng pag-clear or nagkakaroon ng pagklaro, understanding na ngayon yung clouded thoughts niya before. Kasi that person, no, hindi siya masyado nakakapag-isip, no, of how bright life is because of what he or she, okay, is carrying, and that is that pain from the past, no. Pero dahil nga ito ay, nakatulong ka at yung mga pag-uusap ninyo 'no, is sobrang nakatulong sa kanya. Nakita ko rito 'no, na unti-unti na rito na parang nagiging clear yung thoughts niya, yung heart niya 'no. Naiintindihan niya na rito na dapat alagaan niya yung sarili niya, na may mga bagay na kailangan tanggapin 'no, at may mga tanong na hindi agad masasagot 'no, dahil merong tamang panahon upang yan ay mabigyan ng kasagutan. So, nakikita ko rito na isa kang malaking tulong sa kanya 'no, at nakikita ko dito with the Page of Cups energy, Ace of Swords energy, I do pick up that this person here 'no, finds you na kasi yung mga advices mo parang nakita ka niya kung ano kang klaseng tao. Nakita niya yung approach mo sa love, yung mga sinasabi mo, you've shared the same sentiments here. Like you already had been from the same situation, and that really did help this person here to understand and get to know you more, no? Yung mga sinasabi mo of how, okay, of how to love, no? Na parang ang sarap mo palang mahalin, 'no? It's like nagbibigay ka rito ng this is not a rebound, okay? Okay? It's like this person here is seeing you na ito palang kausap ko na nagbibigay ng advice sa akin, 'no? Hindi yung as in love na siya agad sa'yo, okay? This person starts to notice, no, how good of a person you are. Okay? At mas maiintindihan niya 'no, na ganito ka pala magmahal 'no, like you are almost like him or her when it comes to love, and guess what? This person is actually looking for someone who is just like him or her, at mukhang makikita niya yung sarili niya sa'yo kung paano ka magmahal. Because just like you, this person also wants someone here who stays and will never leave. It's like this person here starts to have this clear perspective and clear understanding of why you came into his or her life, because you brought a lot of healing. You make him or her understand love in its deepest meaning. Huh? This person could be younger than you, honey, but doesn't have to be. This person could be someone here, no, na romantic, and this person will start to heal because of you. Oh, wow. And this person will start to regain his or her confidence. Still because of you, dahil sa'yo, this person will start to dance, to laugh, to smile, to enjoy life once again because of you. You bring a lot of happiness into this person's life. Unti-unti, sobrang natutulungan mo siya rito. And then healing happens next. Ace of Cups, you will definitely make this person here feel na pwede pala siyang alagaan, na worthy pala siya or deserving pala siya to be loved as well. And you will start this friendship that I'm seeing that will grow here. And it can lead to Ten of Cups. Yes. You came into this person's life because you have that purpose. This fated meeting is meant to happen because this is your person. You are his or her angel that will cure his or her past worries and pain away. And I'm seeing that you are his or her person, the right one for him or her. Wow! Love it. Pinagtagpo kayo dahil dito sa sensitibong usapin na 'to 'no, nabigat ng damdamin dito. Isa na pala itong hudyat 'no, mga babes. So yeah, you're hearing that song. Talking to the moon. Yeah, see? That's Bruno Mars, okay, song. Okay? Talking to the moon. So however the case may be, guess what? Okay? This person starts to have this not confusion, pero yun nga 'no, mga hidden feelings and desires 'no, na in time, aaminin niya yan sa'yo 'no. But for now, friendship is what I'm seeing right here, and it will somehow grow, and you're gonna love how this connection will definitely unfold naturally right here. There are lots of sweet and happy moments that you will share here together with this person. Wow, claim this beautiful message from here, collective. Thank you so much, honey. 사랑해요, love and light. 안녕.